Good morning, day 43 of 75 Hard. When it comes to your health and fitness goals, do you give yourself options? Do you give yourself the options of whether you're going to work out or not? When you wake up in the morning, is it just part of your day? Is it ingrained in your schedule? Or are you like, what if I'm going to get to the gym today? When it comes to your nutrition, do you wonder what you're going to eat all day long? Do you have anything planned out? Do you just say, I wonder what's for breakfast? I wonder what's for lunch? Man, I'm hungry. I need to eat something. Or do you know what breakfast is? Do you know what lunch is? Do you know what dinner is? Have you gotten to a point where you just don't have options? And I don't mean you can always change your mind. Like, you got a choice, right? That's the beauty of life. We always got choices here. But the more options you give yourself, the more choices you give yourself of whether or not you're going to work out, or whether or not you're going to follow the plan, or whether or not you're going to abstain from alcohol, or whether or not you're going to go to sleep early or stay up too late, or whether or not you're going to get stressed out and let that overtake your thoughts, or manage your stress and do something about it. That's what I'm talking about. And the more options you give yourself, the less likely you are to follow through on the things that you want to do, especially when it comes to health and fitness. It's so easy to just stay in bed when it's cold, hot, rainy, sunny, whatever. I mean, I've heard every excuse in the book as far as why people can't come into the gym or can't work out in general. But I think if you can just get to a place where there is no option, it's just what we do, you'll be so much more successful. Make good choices, y'all. Have a great day. Folks, day 43 is a wrap. You know, I wish I had more to report at this point at the end of these days, but I don't. It's just what we do right now in the thick of it. Literally, like, this feels like no man's land in the 40s. It always does. It feels the same way every single time. It feels the same way this time as it did the other 3 times I did it. Where it's just get up, wash, rinse, repeat. We do the same thing over and over again. We feel good, energy's good, sleeping well, workouts are great, getting stronger, getting leaner, all the things, drinking all the damn water, peeing all the time. Some of y'all get used to it. I don't. I still pee a lot. But it's also been cold. So hopefully as the weather warms up, I'll actually sweat some, so I don't have to pee so much. That'd be great. Anyway, that's all for today. Make good choices. I'll see y'all tomorrow.